Time. There are many English words to describe time. Let's learn the time of the day or a year. It's time for breakfast. I'm having bacon and eggs for breakfast. It's lunchtime. What's for lunch today? Chicken. It's dinner time. I'm hungry. It's my favorite meal. It's morning. Time to get up and have a big breakfast. It's early morning. The sun is rising. It's the afternoon. The sun is shining brightly. It's evening. Time for a nice long walk. It's nighttime. The sun is going down. It's spring. The flowers and trees are blooming. It's summertime. It's hot. The beach is the perfect place. It's fall. The leaves are beginning to fall. It's wintertime. The snow is deep. What time is it right now? Where you are? Let us know in the comments.